Morning guys, today is February 27th, 2017. Got me a shave finally. Let me think, today, what is going on today? Well, Lottie's doing the laundry, so it's laundry day for her. I think I might head up and get a haircut, but nothing planned as usual. I'm just gonna wing it, see what goes on today. Like I said, here in the Philippines, there's always something going on, but yeah, just gonna wing it today. Alright guys, nothing really exciting went on today. Didn't do too much. Still trying to get over this sore throat I have. So kind of just laid around today and took a little nap. I did have a couple people had mentioned, you know, what's your apartment? You know, what are you paying for your apartment monthly? So I think what I'll do is I'll give you guys a little tour of our apartment where we live. Show you around outside. And then give you a little tour of what a simple apartment here looks like. So in our little complex here, I call it our little retirement center. There's 10 units here. People are very nice, very friendly. They come from all different places around the world pretty much. In the one apartment's a German fellow. He's been here for quite a few years with his girlfriend. The one apartment, the people just moved in. They're college students. I think they're going to culinary school. And the other apartment's a Filipino girl whose boyfriend is from the United States and is actually in the States right now. And she's staying there while he's in the States. Excuse me. He should be coming here within the next couple months. The other apartment is a fellow from the United States who's renting. He's a sexpat. The other apartment next to me is a Swedish fellow, big guy, living there with his Filipino girlfriend. Then there's us. Then right next to us is the landlord slash, I guess you would call him maintenance guy. Next to him is a German family, no, not a German family, a Japanese family that has just moved in. Then you have an American with his Filipino girlfriend and their little child. And then the last apartment is a guy from the UK with his Filipino wife and their children. So as you heard, I mean, it's a mix of a bunch of people. It's really quiet here. I mean, kids come out, they play around outside here, but you know, it's fairly quiet. Good neighbors still. But yeah, anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the camera, go outside and show you guys around the area here, and then give you a little tour of the apartment here. Alright guys, you can see this is the little courtyard area here in our retirement complex. Everybody has their own little balconies up there, as you can see. Little, I don't know, what do you call it, like a little flower area here. But yeah, it's pretty quiet here. C3 right here. That's where we originally were in. But it was fairly nice size, but kind of too small for us. So we moved. Well, you can see guys parked their bikes in here. But yeah, we moved over here to C6, a little bit bigger. Got my Suzuki 150 Raider parked outside here. I got a little mat on it because we got a cat that likes to jump up on all the seats. But yeah, you see it. Pretty nice little area, like I said. Pretty quiet. A couple kids running around here. No wild dogs, no crazy roosters, but it is what it is. It's our little simple place. So yeah, let's go in and check out the apartment. Alright guys, so here's inside our apartment here. And you can see this is our little living room area here. TV. A lot of this stuff here on the shelf here we balik-bayoned over. Just some little personal momentum items that we had back in the States that we wanted to bring along. Now you got to understand something. When we moved in here, this was a empty apartment. Everything in here we have purchased over the past, let's see, November, December, January, 5 months. The curtains, we buy on them over. Louisa wanted her curtains brought over and used, so we brought them over. But yeah, like I said, everything we've furnished this ourselves. Little desk area here, workstation I call it. Let's see, got our little dining room table there. We just got back from Barretto's. Like I said, those are some of the things we brought over, pictures and stuff of family members. The flag, that's our little shoe rack area, little helmet area. That's our kitchen area. Little refrigerator. Got Lodi over here. Our little microwave. You got to purchase water over here. You don't want to drink it out of the faucet, so you purchase water over here.
Where did you want me to put this?
Oh, you can put that in the refrigerator. Little rice cooker. All her utensils. What else do we have here?
Plates.
We got plates, knives, everything you need for a kitchen. The NutriBlitzer, our little bag of rice. Out here is the wet kitchen. It's where our stove is, our cooking stove. It's nice because it's out, it's away from everything. Let me turn the light on. A little washing area here. Got a little washer, little sink out here. But yeah, you see it. Lodi will store some things out here. Sugars and flour and different other different little things. But one thing you got to make sure, if you are going to store things out of the refrigerator here, you got to kind of store them in a contained or a sealed box or a sealed container, because if you don't, the ants will come and get it. This little thing here we bought up at the balloon festival. The Atta?
Yes.
The Atta. The, what is it? What are Atta?
Ita, what about them?
What are they? Atta?
They're a tribe.
They're a tribe. They're indigenous tribe here.
Yeah, prior from the history, they're the first person who was here in the Philippines before Spanish come.
But yeah, they at the balloon festival they were selling little trinkets, and we bought one of these little bow and arrow things here. It's made from wood, some feathers. But yeah, the kids were selling it, so we grabbed one of those. And then you have the little bathroom downstairs here. Little toilet, little sink, little faucet right there. So yep, that's our downstairs little area here. So let's head on upstairs and we will check out the upstairs here. Got the steps here that go up. Little wooden steps. It's a little foyer area. We want to get some tables up here and do a little decorating up here. Nice little light here. This is our bedroom. Not too bad. It's not very big, it's not very small. Little dresser there. What's nice here is, compared to back in the States, you don't need a bunch of dressers, because for real, what do you have? Maybe some, shorts, t-shirts, a few jeans. You don't need long sleeve shirts, and you don't need the the winter clothes and the winter boots and everything. But yeah, we got cabinets built right in, lower cabinets here that open up, and we got our luggage, suitcases and everything stored up top there. Little area there for Lodi to sit, put on her makeup, make herself look beautiful. Got a fan, got an air conditioner there. Lodi's curtains that we brought over from the States. But yeah, it's a nice little bedroom for us. Like I said, you know, most of your apartments here aren't very big. You know, they're just nice little apartments. And then we have the upstairs bathroom. Turn on the light. It's the upstairs bathroom with the shower. You know, simple, little sink, mirror, our toilet, shower area. Hot water heater. Had to get a little hot water heater. I'm not a big fan of the cold showers here. But I don't turn the heat on up very high, just enough to take the chill out of the water. But yeah, this is our little upstairs bathroom here. Then we got the spare room here. Little spare room here. We put a little bed in it. Little dresser over there. Curtains from packed from the States, and a couple cabinets here. Oh yeah, it's just a little spare bedroom. Alright guys, this is from the balcony here. As you can see, everybody has their own little balcony area. I'm out front. The two apartments out front, matter of fact, one directly in front of me. As you see them, let me see, right? Let's see if I can zoom in. Right there, right in the middle. That's the apartment on the right-hand side balcony. The other front apartment, their balcony's in the front. But yeah, this is our view from our little balcony area here. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's our little apartment here. Our little simple apartment. Guess you're asking, guess the question now, you guys want to know, okay, well, what are you paying for it? We are paying 12,000 pesos a month for this apartment, which breaks down to about $240 a month. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm sure you could find something better. You could probably find something worse. I don't know. But we like it here. Location is the key. And we're perfectly located where we want to be here. Alright guys, I'm just going to call that a wrap for the night. As you can see, you know, there's just days where really nothing goes on here. I mean, it's like back where you know, where we live or where you guys might live. Not every day there's something going on. I mean, yeah, we could go out and we could find stuff to do and run around, but for the most part, you know, we just kind of hang out here at home, either here or we head over to the mall, walk around. But yeah, you guys seen it. I hope you guys are enjoying this little series I'm doing. Let me know, give me some feedback. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is yours. Leave some comments. If you got any questions or want to know anything about life here, feel free to ask. So yeah, I'm going to call that a night. All right, guys.